Welcome back to Blocktical. Now we have come to a point where we have already seen that prompt is basically defining the tone will respond differently. Okay, so the perspective and your tonality matters while instructing the machine using prompt to respond you back. Okay, so in the above four videos, okay, basically I will tell you what are the takeaways for you. Okay, so first is that prompt is not just a question. Okay, it is not just a question, but it is a instruction with intent. So this is very important. This is the first takeaway which we have over here. Now second is that natural language has become a new API, okay, between human and machine. So this is a medium of communication, or I would say dialogue, between a human and intelligent machine. Third takeaway is the quality of your prompt. Quality of your prompt determines the quality of your response. So it will determine the quality of your response. Got it? Whatever quality of your prompt is, in the same manner, the quality of your response will be there. Now, fourth is that what we called as you are a best prompt engineer. These people are not coders. These people are not coders, but the best prompt engineers are thinkers, communicators, and experimenters. So you need to remember this, that these are the four takeaways for us from last four videos. Now let's do a mini exercise. Okay, we all will do this exercise at our own end. So you can take any question possible. Okay, so I will be taking a basic question which I have a similar question discussed above, that this is your task. So pick any one question. Okay, you can pick your own question. I am picking this. What are the benefits of learning AI? So benefits of learning AI. This is my question. Now you need to rewrite it in different tones. So you need to rewrite it in different tones. So this is tone 1, this is tone 2, and this is tone 3. So you need to write prompt for these three tones. Okay, now let's say again you can consider that, okay, this is casual, this one is formal, and this one is technical. You can write the above question in these three tones. Now observe how the AI personality structure and depth changes with each response. So you need to create a matrix, okay, of three factors. One is personality, structure, and depth of that particular field, right? So once you create this for all the three, you will see that okay, there is a slight difference in the response, and this exercise will give you two things. One is you will start adapting how to write a prompt with different tonalities or with different requirements, and also you can start analyzing the responses of the LLM if they are up to your matrix standard or not. So you may have different matrix standards, so you can analyze those matrices accordingly. Now, to end this particular chapter, you need to understand one thing, that we all are entering an era, okay, we are into that transition where we are entering into an era where language is not just a medium of thoughts between two human beings. It is not just a medium between two human beings, but it is a medium of creation now between human and machine, between machine and machine. So we are in that era right now. So the art of prompting isn't just about asking questions, it is about designing conversations that shape intelligence between human and machine, between machine and machine. So this is the new standard definition of prompting. And now I guess if anyone will ask you what is prompt engineering or what is prompt, based on my above four videos, you can define the definition properly and you have your own point of understanding that okay, where we are going to stand and why prompt engineering learning is very, very important for all the people. They may be technical or they may be non-technical. So, okay.